Today I'm going to show you how to upload your video for the American Trickline Association Worldwide Combo Jam to our YouTube channel using our scoring software. This video is going to be for Mac. If you're using Windows, you're going to need to check out our other tutorial. And before you go through this tutorial, you're going to want to make sure that you've already got your video for this round. So this is my video. I've already filmed myself finishing round 1. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to download the scoring software and the requirements for the scoring software. So to do that, I'm going to go and open my web browser, Safari, and then I'm going to navigate to the American Trickline Association website, and that's at americantrickline.org. Press enter. And then from the home page, I'll go to the scoring software page up here. And I scroll down. And now I've got a couple of requirements and then this button that allows me to download the launch file. So first, since TrickScore, the scoring software, requires Java, I'm going to download Java by clicking on this link. I'm going to open this in a new tab. Okay. And this brings me right to the Oracle website where I can download Java. I need to download the JRE, so that's down here. So I'll click download here. And this brings me to a page with a couple different versions of Java. I want the latest version. So I go down here and I click accept license agreement. And then I need to pick my operating system from this list. So since I'm using Mac, I need to choose one of these two. And I'm going to choose the DMG file since it's a little bit easier to install. You could also download the gzip tar if you want. But I'm just going to download the DMG by clicking on it. And that'll show up here in the corner. And we'll just give that a few moments to download. Okay, and once that's done, we'll click up here, go to the DMG and double click on it. This is going to open the DMG. And we'll get this little pop-up, and we need to double click on this icon to install Java. So I'll double click on it and go press open. And this will bring me to a password prompt. I have to type in my password. And now we're in the Java installer. So I'll just click next and it will install Java. Okay, so now we've successfully installed Java. So I can close this and I'm going to go back to the American Trickline website here. And now that I have Java, I'm ready to download the launch file for the scoring software. So I'll click this button and it will download very quickly. I'll go back up here, and as you can see, we've downloaded this trickscore.jnlp file. I'll double click on that. And what's going to happen next is you'll see this prompt that says TrickScore can't be opened because it's from an unidentified developer. So to get around that, we go up to the top left corner and click on the Apple button, go to System Preferences, go to Security and Privacy, and then down here we'll see this block of text that says TrickScore was blocked from opening because it is not from an unidentified developer. So we're going to go ahead and open anyway. So click Open Anyway, and it'll ask us if we're sure, and we click Open. Okay, so now Java is going to download the scoring software from our web servers. And this is copying the scoring software from the web onto your computer. And when this completes, it will open up immediately and bring you right to the landing screen for the scoring software. So it launches right away as soon as the download completes. So we'll just give it a few more seconds to finish downloading. Okay, and then it's going to ask us if we want to run this application, and we'll click Run. And if it asks us again, we'll click Run again. Sometimes it asks twice. Okay, so now we're at the landing screen for the TrickScore scoring software. So I'm going to go up to the top left corner, and I'm going to go to File, Open to open my round. And I'm going to click on my video file to select it, double click on it. And this will bring me to an athlete selection screen. And this has a list of all the athletes that have already registered. And if you've already registered, you can just start typing your name and you should pop up. If you haven't registered yet, click on the plus button and that will bring you to this screen where you can fill out your name, gender, and your nationality. And after you fill that out, click on Create Athlete at the bottom, and you'll have a new athlete box for yourself. So since I've already added myself, I'm just going to type in the first few letters of my name and then click my name, and that puts me over here. And then I'm going to click Start Scoring Round at the bottom after that's done. Okay. And that brings me to the video. I press the space bar to pause the video. So up at the top, we've got the current score, which is 0, since I haven't typed anything in yet. And then at the bottom, we've got some controls for the video, and then a text box where you'll type in tricks and combos. So this is my round 1 video, and the round 1 fill in the blank prompt was stand, butt bounce, blank, butt bounce, stand. So I'm just going to type in the combo that I did to fill in the blank. So I start in stand, then drop to butt bounce, then I do a front flip to butt bounce, to stand. Okay, and then I'll press enter, and after that my score will update on the top. So I got 5.441 points for that. And remember that after you score your combo, you have to say the passphrase. American Trickline 2016. Cool. If you want to check to make sure you input your combo correctly, you can scroll the video back, and at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the combo that you just typed in, and you can make sure you typed it in right. So stand, butt bounce, front flip, butt bounce, stand. Cool, looks good. And now, after that, you're ready to upload. So you go to this button in the lower right, click Upload to YouTube, and this will bring you to the upload screen. First, you have to agree to the terms and conditions. So you have to agree that you own the video that you're uploading and that you're willing to put it on the American Trickline Association's YouTube channel. So I'm going to click Agree. And now you need to have a user account to upload the video. And this is different from the athlete that you created at the beginning of the video. So if you don't have a user account, you have to click Sign Up down here in the right corner. And you'll create a username, password. You need a valid email, first name and last name. And it's important that you use the same first name and last name that you used when you created the athlete, because you're only allowed to upload videos of yourself. And after you type that in, you press sign up, and you'll get an email with a verification link that you have to click on before you can upload your video. So I've already created a user account for myself, so I'll type in my username. and then my password. Okay. And then down here, I need to select the competition that I'm competing in. So this is the Worldwide Combo Jam. And once I've done that, I'm ready to upload. So I'll just click this upload button, and the upload will initiate. And as the upload progresses, you'll see some different messages appear here. So right now we've just finished the initiation phase, but when the upload starts, we should see some new text there. It could take a few minutes, so it's important to just leave this screen, leave the program running while this happens. Now the upload's in progress, and we're actually uploading the video to YouTube right now. So just leave this alone for a little while it uploads. You might not see the progress bar update for a little while, but it is uploading, and when it's done, you should see the progress bar show up full, and you'll see upload completed. So we'll just give it a couple minutes to do that. And it's done. So at this point, your video has been uploaded to the American Trickline Association YouTube channel, but since it hasn't been reviewed by a judge yet, it will be private. So the next thing that happens is a judge will look at the video, make sure that the combo has been typed in correctly and everything was scored correctly, and then we'll make it public, and you'll be able to see it on YouTube, and your score will show up on the standings page. And that's pretty much all you need to know. When you want to upload round 2, you'll do the same thing, except you do it with your round 2 video. Thanks for watching, and good luck with the comp.